In this video we'll be taking a look at the brand new HomePod Mini. This is Apple's new smart speaker. It costs £99 or $99 if you're in the US, but is it worth the money? Well, let's take a closer look. Don't forget to hit the red button to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and click the notification bell to get my next video first. After almost 3 years since the original Apple HomePod was released, Apple have now released the HomePod Mini. Now this is their take on an affordable smart speaker. It still comes in at pretty much double the price of the Amazon and Google equivalent, but this is reportedly going to have far better sound. Now, in terms of the actual design, it is very familiar. It does look very similar to the original HomePod. It has the same material wrapping, it has the same braided style cable. And on top you have that same fingerprint magnet glossy display. You'll be pleased to know that inside the box you do get a power brick, and so therefore there's no need to use one that you have already. Now that braided cable which we spoke about is USB-C, but also it's a fixed cable, so there is no plugging or unplugging. It is literally fixed and attached to the HomePod. Unfortunately it does come with a white plug, which does seem a little bit odd for a black design, but hey, I did have a similar issue with one of the Amazon devices earlier on this year. Talking of Amazon, this is it against the brand new 2020 Echo Dot 4th generation. As you can see, they're almost identical in size and very similar in their design. This is it against the Echo, and the reason why I've brought this in is because this is much more a similar price range. In fact, the Echo is still a little bit cheaper. Now, if you're unsure which one of these speakers to buy, then I have done another video comparing the audio and the designs, and I'll link that up above for you to check out for yourself. Okay, let's now set this up, and setting up is a breeze. They've both got the new updated chip, and so therefore the phone recognises the HomePod as soon as you turn it on. You just have to put in which room you're going to be putting it in, and depending on your home setup will depend on how many rooms are there. I'm going to put mine in my living room. Now you can choose for it to recognise your voice, and you can choose for it to do personal requests. That's where it's able to read out your appointments, your messages, and be a little bit more personal to you. You can also choose it to be Siri for everyone. Just click continue and it will answer and respond if anyone asks it to. Now just agree to a few terms and conditions and then transfer the settings. This will be things like your location, your information about your Apple setup, your Apple Music for instance. Next you just need to hold your phone over the top of the HomePod and then it will finish up that setting up process. It is very, very straightforward and a pleasure to do.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod.
Okay, so to give you an idea of the sound quality of the speaker, I've used my professional microphone and I've recorded some music. I will start off on 50% volume and then go up to 100. Maximum volume.
That's very loud. Are you sure?
Yes. Okay, so volume 50%. So my first impressions on the quality of the music is really good. It gives a nice, well-rounded sound. Now, I don't necessarily think that this is going to be remarkably different to the others, so make sure you check out that other video comparing it to the two Amazon devices, but certainly my first impressions are pretty good. One thing that I do like about this speaker is it doesn't seem to change with any direction, so let me show you what I mean.
Feel right, that's the feel right. Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hate applying my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding, dotted line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac, probably dollar sign. Got the energy to win it, I'm feeling great.
So the microphone was directly in front of the speaker and it didn't seem to matter where you were, you heard the sound evenly 360 degrees around it. Now that makes a good speaker if you're in a bigger room for instance and there might be people sat in different directions. I think that will be something which will be different compared to the Amazon devices. Now it wasn't all great because one key feature I just couldn't get to work. The various videos that you may have seen where you bring your iPhone close to the speaker and then it transfers playing from the iPhone to the speaker, I just could not get to work. I made sure that I was on the latest updates on both the speaker and also the phone, which is an iPhone 12 Pro, and it still doesn't work, so I guess I'm going to have to contact Apple to see what the issue is there. I really tried everything that I could possibly think of to get it working. I turned on the feature in general, AirPlay and handoff to make sure the proximity handoff was on. I reinstalled the speaker, deleted it and then started all again, but still couldn't get it to work. So any ideas, guys, please do leave a comment below. Now there are touchscreen controls for your HomePod Mini and they're very simple. Press once to play and pause, press and hold to command Siri. You've obviously got the plus and the minus, which are volume controls. A double tap will skip forward to the next track, and likewise a triple tap will take you back a track. So there we go, guys, that's my first look at the new HomePod Mini. I'm going to play with it over the course of the next few days and just see how I get on with it, and then I will do a summary review in about a week's time. But let me know what your thoughts are. Is this the type of device that you're going to get? But straight away now you can head over and watch my comparison of these three devices, the HomePod Mini, the Echo Dot and the new Echo. Thank you so much, my friends, for watching this video. I do hope that it's been useful for you. Please give it a thumbs up, and also if you're not already subscribed, hit that red button, and I look forward to seeing you on the next.